Hey everyone, Robyn from Autogeek. Today I'm at P&S headquarters in Hayward, California, and joining me is Sydney from P&S Products, and we're going to talk about Bug Off, your insect remover.
Yeah, so Bug Off, especially this time of year, is such a vital product to have in your arsenal. So this is basically going to be a pre-spray, and this is going to dissolve the bug guts. It's going to help you remove them much quicker and easier. And so what I like to do, so this is a concentrate. I like to dilute it. You can dilute it up to 5:1, kind of for whatever your needs are. Personally, I do about 1:1 is my favorite. You just spray the bug covered areas as a pre-spray, let it soak in, do its work. Usually I like to spray it with a pressure washer, remove most of that material, and then that generally does a really good job. But if you have really heavy bugs, you might need to go back in with a bug
second
sponge.
application.
Yes. Yeah, second application, bug sponge, and you know, get the rest of those guys.
So let's talk about the surfaces that we can use it on. You mentioned paint. How about like headlights, front bumpers, grills, safe on all those plastics too?
Yeah, so it's really safe on any surface. So yeah, plastics, the glass, the paint. One thing for glass is I do like to apply it straight to my bug sponge versus spraying it directly on the glass, just because if you have a temperature situation or something, we don't want to leave any spotting. So I do apply it to my, either sponge or my bug scrubber first.
For use on
the glass. Yeah.
Okay, all right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
What about coated vehicles?
Yeah, so it is totally safe to use on coated vehicles. My personal preference is to dilute it just a little bit more because I don't want to be using anything that could compromise the coating. So I will dilute it down a little bit more, and then obviously we know one of the beauties of a coated car is the bugs remove easier.
Sure.
So I just try to dial it back a little bit just because it's not really necessary. So, but absolutely you can use it. Have never had an issue with it at all.
Great. Seems like a great product to have in your arsenal of tools.
Yep.
Whether you're DIY, pro that's going to be using it.
Absolutely.
All right. For more information on this product and others from the lineup of P&S products, you can visit autogeek.com.